Your everyday carry is about to get a major upgrade. Level up your street smarts. In an age of constant connection and relentless pace, how prepared are you for the unexpected? Do you feel truly equipped to navigate your daily urban landscape or any environment with confidence and efficiency? For too long, our everyday carry, or EDC, has been an afterthought. A wallet, keys, phone, perhaps a tangled mess in a bag. But what if your EDC could be a meticulously curated collection of tools and tech, designed not just for convenience, but for genuine preparedness, problem-solving, and even self-reliance? Today, we're diving deep into the philosophy and practicalities of optimizing your everyday carry. We'll explore how a thoughtful EDC can enhance your efficiency, boost your security, and genuinely level up your street smarts, transforming the way you move through the world. Get ready to rethink what you carry and why. The concept of everyday carry isn't just for survivalists or gear enthusiasts anymore. It's a philosophy for modern living. It's about being prepared without being burdened, having the right tool at the right time, and anticipating your needs before they become emergencies. Think of it as your personal toolkit for navigating daily life, from unexpected challenges to seizing opportunities. The core principle is utility. Every item in your EDC should serve a clear purpose, offer multiple functions, or provide significant value in a compact form. This isn't about collecting gadgets. It's about intelligent curation. A well-optimized EDC allows you to handle minor inconveniences with ease, respond effectively to unexpected situations, and always maintain a sense of control. Let's break down the essential categories for a truly upgraded EDC. First, we have cutting tools and multi-tools. A good quality, legally carried pocket knife or a compact multi-tool can be invaluable. Beyond self-defense, think about opening packages, cutting loose threads, tightening a screw, or even preparing a quick meal on the go. The utility here is immense and constant. Next, consider illumination. Your phone's flashlight is okay, but a dedicated, powerful, compact flashlight offers far superior brightness, battery life, and durability. It's crucial for navigating power outages, finding dropped items in the dark, or signaling for help. Opt for one with different modes and a strong clip for easy access. Then there's the realm of information and communication backup. Your smartphone is central, but what if it dies? A slim, high-capacity portable power bank with integrated cables is a non-negotiable for modern EDC. Ensure it can charge your phone multiple times. Beyond power, consider a compact, weather-resistant notebook and a durable pen. These are invaluable for jotting down important information, making quick sketches, or leaving notes when digital options fail. For those dealing with sensitive data, a secure USB drive can be critical. It's about ensuring you can always connect, record, or retrieve essential information when you need it most. Security and self-reliance form another crucial pillar. This isn't just about self-defense, but also about personal safety and awareness. For digital security, an RFID blocking wallet is a smart choice to protect your cards from electronic theft. For physical security, depending on your local laws and comfort level, this could range from a loud personal alarm to a tactical pen, or even more specialized tools. The key is understanding your environment and your personal safety needs, and then equipping yourself responsibly. Beyond physical items, cultivate situational awareness. An EDC isn't just about the gear, it's about the mindset. Being observant, aware of your surroundings, and able to identify potential threats or opportunities is the ultimate form of street smarts. Your most important EDC item is always your brain. Health and emergency preparedness are often overlooked in daily carry. A small but comprehensive first aid kit is indispensable. This isn't just bandages. Think pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, allergy medication, and any personal prescription meds you might need. Consider a compact emergency blanket for unexpected temperature drops, or even water purification tablets if you're venturing into less predictable environments. Even a simple whistle can be a powerful signaling device in an emergency. These items provide peace of mind and the practical means to address minor injuries or unexpected health concerns on the fly. Finally, let's talk about organization and integration. The best gear is useless if it's buried at the bottom of a messy bag. Your EDC should be easily accessible, intuitive, and seamlessly integrated into your daily routine. Consider using pocket organizers, small pouches, or modular backpack systems to keep everything tidy and within reach. Think about weight and bulk. The goal is efficiency, not a heavy load. Every item should earn its place. As technology advances, we're seeing more multifunctional items that combine several tools into one, further streamlining your carry. This constant evolution means your EDC is never truly finished. It's a living, adaptable system that evolves with your needs and the available technology. Optimizing your everyday carry isn't about paranoia. It's about empowerment. It's about being resourceful, ready for anything, and maximizing your personal effectiveness in an unpredictable world. It's a subtle shift that can lead to profound confidence, knowing you have the tools and the street smarts to handle whatever comes your way. So, what will be the first item you upgrade in your EDC? How will you make your daily carry smarter, more efficient, and more prepared?